How to create a method in Java and call it. Do you want to know how to simply create a method under a minute and call it just like this? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, in Java, methods help you organize code and avoid repetition. Here's how to create one and call it. We define a method called greet right here. So we have defined some method known as greet. So on the public static void, and it prints a welcome message. So to run this code, we call it using greet. Super simple. You can reuse this method anywhere in the program. You can also add parameters if needed. Learning how to define and call methods is a must-have skill to keep your code clean and modular. Start with simple ones like this and build up the logic. So you can just simply copy up this code and modify it you want, and I'm going to show you the results of it as well. So that's it. The method has been successfully called and you're good to go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.